Welcome to Gubuk Design, where architecture meets the rhythm of nature. In today's episode, we introduce a beach house unlike any other, crafted not just as shelter, but to enhance the experience of life by the ocean. Designed with surfers and wanderers in mind, this coastal retreat takes inspiration from its environment and transforms it into a sanctuary where freedom, flow, and functionality coexist in perfect balance. Set along a quiet stretch of coastline once covered in mangrove trees, the home emerges as a respectful addition to its natural surroundings. The land's flatness is used to the house's advantage. Long horizontal views are framed like living canvases through carefully placed openings. This is a place where waves can be heard from the bed, and salt air is part of the home's everyday breathing. The home's massing is simple, two offset blocks that create a dynamic sense of space and function. One block houses the private rooms for rest and recovery, the other is dedicated to living, sharing, and celebrating the ocean lifestyle. Between them lies the heart of the house, a breezy courtyard that connects, invites, and inspires movement from one moment to the next. This patio isn't just transitional, it's experiential. Designed as a surfer's zone, it features built-in benches to rest, open showers to rinse off the salt, and smooth concrete floors that welcome sandy feet. Lined with tropical plants and partially shaded by timber slats, this courtyard becomes a breathing core, linking all rooms while encouraging informal interaction and spontaneity. walls open like wings, with oversized sliding doors crafted from local hardwoods, inviting the outdoors in. The transition is so seamless that the living room feels like a shaded veranda, and the dining area becomes part of the garden. The threshold between inside and outside disappears, allowing for a daily choreography of light, breeze, and shadows to shape the atmosphere within. True to its philosophy, the home doesn't hide its materials. Exposed concrete, weathered wood, blackened steel all come together in raw harmony. Prefabricated concrete panels form the backbone of the structure, making the house not only expressive but also efficient and durable in the face of harsh coastal conditions. Every surface is there to be touched, to age with time, and to tell a story. Rather than off-the-shelf solutions, the windows were custom-built on site by skilled local artisans. Each one is unique in size and purpose. Some frame sunsets, others catch the rising tide. Some tilt for airflow, others pivot dramatically. These windows are more than openings, they are sculpted light filters, changing the way each room feels throughout the day. floor-plan spaces promote connection. The kitchen extends into the dining and living areas without interruption, under a soaring timber ceiling that brings warmth and resonance. Surfboards hang proudly on the walls like trophies, while a long concrete bench hugs one side of the room, offering space for friends, gear, and moments of rest. The sleeping block is intentionally offset and partially secluded by a lush green buffer. Each bedroom opens to a private pocket garden, ensuring solitude without disconnect. Minimalist furnishings, low beds, and ceiling fans keep the atmosphere grounded and relaxed, perfect for unwinding after a long day in the sun or sea. Furniture throughout the house is custom-made. Bathroom counters are concrete slabs resting on blackened steel frames. Built-in shelves double as seating. Outdoor dining tables were carved from reclaimed coastal wood. These elements echo the overall design: raw, grounded, purposeful. Nothing is over-designed, but everything is considered. air conditioning takes a back seat in this home. Instead, the design prioritizes passive cooling strategies, cross-ventilation through opposing openings, shaded outdoor corridors, deep eaves, and high ceilings. The house breathes naturally, reducing energy consumption while keeping interiors cool and comfortable, even in the heat of the dry season. Every decision in this home respects its context. From material selection to orientation, the design draws from vernacular practices adapted to modern living. Local craftsmen were involved from concept to completion, ensuring the home is not only designed for the place, but by the place, anchored in its culture and climate. This is not a museum home, it's meant to evolve with its users. Guests leave their mark, surfboards leaning against walls, towels drying in the breeze, footprints leading from the beach to the bar. These small, beautiful traces of use are part of the design. It's a space that welcomes wear, embraces rhythm, and thrives on daily ritual. home isn't just a structure, it's a way of experiencing the world. Whether it's sunrise meditation in the courtyard, shared dinners under the stars, or the quiet solitude of watching waves from a shaded bench, every corner of this home invites presence and participation. It doesn't just respond to lifestyle, it elevates it. At Gubuk Design, we believe homes should adapt to the people and places they belong to. This beach house is a bold yet gentle example of architecture rooted in freedom, clarity, and honesty. It's a celebration of simplicity in form and richness in experience. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring stories where design meets nature.